In this video we will create the chart with the negative deviations. In the first step we mark our chart with a positive deviation, copy it and fill it here, and then mark the chart with positive deviations, and then we say right mouse key, select data, we mark last year, edit, and we write actual, and we take the cells from the actual, here in this case D8 until D19. Okay, and okay. That's the first step. Then mark the chart, right mouse key, select data, mark positive, edit, we write neg for negative, and we mark the cell from H8 until H19. Okay, and we mark the headline numbers, edit, and the values are the same like the actual values from cell D8 until cell D19. Okay, and okay. So then we mark the actual values, go to the bucket, and we say no fill. We mark the negative values and select a red color, and then we need the serial numbers. So we mark here the serial numbers, go to chart design, add chart label element, data labels, more data label options. Then we mark the series name, deactivate Y value, and we say below, and close the window. So, and now we need the negative values. That means we say if the deviation here from cell H8 is bigger than 0, then cell H8. If nothing, then we say the quotation marks, and copy it down. And here we click the right mouse key for format cells, and here in this case we have for custom and the type the square bracket open equals 0, square bracket close, quotation marks, semicolon, and -0. And okay, in this case we have a negative value in contrast to that one. And we mark the headline numbers from January, go to the insert function and say equal with cell L8. For February it's equal with L9. For March cell L10. Then for April it's cell L11. For May cell L12. Then June cell 13. For July at cell L14. August it's L15, and for October it's L16. So now we will add the values for October, November and December. And mark the headline numbers, go to insert function. It's here for cell L17, L18 and L19. Then we delete the values from October until December, and you see we have no negative value here in our chart. In the next video we will consolidate all three charts.